Hey, what's up, guys? Today is the 30th of January, the end of the month. This week is some pretty big news this week. So we can go up in here. Let's start with the forex factory. As you can see, a lot of news. The FOMC statement, that's Wednesday. Tomorrow is a consumer confidence report. Uh, Non-farm on change, that's Wednesday. A lot of stuff is going on Wednesdays. Nothing typically on Thursday, but on Friday you see non-farm employment change. So just be careful this week. And if you don't know how to work this, you can go up here and you can go what you're looking for. You can even put the orange folders as well. You can see a lot of unemployment change came up on Thursday. Me personally, I just only look for the red folders, and you can also do, if you want to do them all, whatever the case may be, you just click these, and then you go from there. I typically trade AUD JPY, so I would normally just right here. Sometimes I can sometimes I look at the orange folders, but you can see right here Wednesday, there's some OPEC meetings. So I don't normally that I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. I don't know typically if that has a big impact, but I'll see because I trading off the 3 hour time frame. So we'll see. But let's go back up here and let's not get sidetracked. And look at USD. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this. Now this is what happened today. And again, I have one. This right here, I have one called sessions. If you go to indicators, you just type up sessions. You can go JRFX Addict, and then we go from here. All right, you can look at the style. Like it just depends on what trade Asian session you. Not Asian session. What session you trade? I typically trade the Asian. I don't really trade any. I just look at the chart. But as far as when I trade AUD JPY, I have an alert set for my strategy on AJ. But for us30, of course, I trade the US session, the New York session. Right here, click the color, boom, and you go from there. So I'm gonna show you a little cheat code today. Um, so if you look right here, this is what happened. So we can show you a cheat code, and I can tell you exactly why I didn't trade or take an entry on us30 today. All right, if you look right here, it exploded up earlier. So yeah, you could have caught some trades. This is about once it broke right here. This is about 150 points. All right, as you can see, it basically came back down a little, pushing and pulling right here. You can see right here. All right. So this is what I'm looking for. If the daily candle is bearish, I'm only looking for sales. All right. If the daily candle is bullish, I'm only looking for buys. But since this impulse candle shot up, if I'm looking for sales, I'm only looking for to buy at this point right here. All right, got it? That's what I'm looking for. So let's see what happens. All right, now keep in mind, I only trade till about 10 o'clock. To about 10 o'clock. So if you can see right here, a little more pushing and pulling. So waiting for it to break underneath. So you can see it still hit this line, kind of playing around. And this is about 1300. So I'm not even looking at the chart anymore. I'm gonna be honest with you. All right, look, it actually broke right here, but this is 1500. The market is about to close right now. Should you be taking this trade? Probably not. All right. Let's just think about that. This is why I didn't trade this. All right. But I'm gonna tell you the cheat code, and I'm gonna tell you it's a cheat code, but I'm gonna tell you exactly why you can go wrong using an indicator by just what it's actually saying. All right. So if you look at Darvis, look at the buy and sell. All right, by C Hun. All right, and let's pull this up. All right, as you can see right here, it told you to buy. Oh, it told you to sell right here. But guess what? Not below my line. Do I take that trade? No. All right, and this is typically around 1300, which is 1 o'clock. All right, look, broke below, sell. Do you want to take this sale? No. Why? Because it is below the line, but the market is about to close in an hour or so. No. I'm not even looking at the chart at this time, and you shouldn't be either. Stop chasing trades. Okay. And so we're gonna go back. Now, if you're on the 15-minute time frame, you could have definitely took this trade. You could have took both trades. See, if you look right here. Let me see. No. Yeah, you could have took it right here. So you're on the 15 minutes. So if you see right here, you could have took it at this impulse candle. You could have took it as it went below, or sometimes honestly, since I see this shot up right here and I see this engulfing candle engulf these two, all right, I could have took the sell right here, but I don't trade on that. I typically trade off the 1 hour on this because it gives me more confluence. But let's look and see. It also has T boxes. Let's see what that looks like. Sometimes the T boxes actually stop you from taking a good trade. I mean, stop you taking a bad trade, should I say? Now look at this. Look at this. They stop you. Let's look on the 15-minute. So let's see if it stopped you on the 15-minute. All right, it actually helps you get a good entry right here. So on the T boxes, what it's trying to tell you, see right here, no trade. But right here, you could have took this trade because why? It's below the T box. So if you're on the 15 trading on a 15-minute time frame, that's a good expert. This is a good helpful tool to trade. As you can see right here, it's all in this T box. You don't want to trade this. See right here, you can trade that. All right. All right. You just have to do your own back testing to help you out. All right. But up to 1 hour. All right. Look at that. Doing this session alone. All right. Outside the T box, no trade. All right. Did you want to take this trade? No. Why? Because it's 12 o'clock and you shouldn't be looking at the market anyway past this time. All right. So let's take these T bars off, all these T boxes off. And this is why I didn't trade this session today. I look for the breaks around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, something that gives me this confluence. This has to happen in right at the 9, 10 o'clock mark. All right. So that's the way I looked at it today. Let's see if we can find an example right here. See, I look for it to happen right as the market opens. All right. Right at the New York session opens. All right. You can see right here, boom, you take this for 100 points. All right. This is at 8, 9 o'clock. Boom, 180 points. All right. Let's see if we can find another one. Boom, this happened. I don't know if this was news happened, the reason why this candle happened like this, but you could have took this trade right here. You probably would have got stopped out right here. I'm going to be honest with you. All right. So if you look right here, no sale, but you see it engulfed. You could take this right here. Sometimes these are late. So it's best, honestly, sometimes to just not even trade with indicators. So make sure you back test. Because if you look right here, the previous day, where are my tools at? Look, right here. This is the London session. Boom, if you see right here, it came down. I look at the previous day. The previous day helps too. All right, if you look right here, boom, boom, boom. All right. Boom, right here. And guess where it exploded right here? Boom, up. So just do your own due diligence. I know y'all hear that a lot, but only do your own due diligence. Look at the candles tell you that these help, but the candles tell you what it's about to do. So just be careful on the 1 hour time frame. It gives me a lot of confluence as well. Friday, don't mess with the market. Don't mess with the market at all. As you can see right here, it reached for this previous support. Boom, came up, got you a good old 200 points. All right, other than that, I hope this helped, guys. I'm just running through real fast, showing you a back test of why I didn't take the trade. And if you liked what you heard, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. If you have any questions about my strategy, what I just see and why I take these trades, just hit me up in the comments below, and I'd definitely be glad to jump on a call with you to show you exactly what I'm looking at. I've been trading since 2019, so I've been back testing a lot of this stuff. I used to use indicators a lot, and I still use them, but I started to realize on the 1 hour time frame and realize that the candles and the price of action actually shows you exactly what it's about to do, especially versus off the previous day. So if you look right here, you just mark off previous day, previous New York session highs and lows. Look at that, boom. All right, sometimes it will, the market, you're not gonna win everything. All right, look, if you look right, and then it's not gonna be a trade every single day, guys. Look at that. Nothing for a few days. And look, it actually broke out. Boom, look at that. All right. And I wouldn't even moved it. I wouldn't have even moved it. I mean, you could actually trade this if you want to, but me personally, I like to go for the healthier trades. What I mean by healthier trades mean the better setups. I mean, you could trade this, going downward or whatever the case may be, hit this support, and because it bounced off this resistance 3 times, and actually, you know, went up, boom, right here, and that's a Thursday. So you actually could have got in right about here, and but you would have had to ride it. So be careful of the account size you have, because these spreads get ridiculous when the market is closed. But that's about 246 points. So if you look, let's just put these right here. Let's go. Let's go to this is what I want you to do. Just tomorrow or this week. Just look and see previous day. If you look right here, this is previous New York session lows and highs. And just on the 1 hour, just look for the breaks. Look for the breaks, man. That's what I tell you. And then go from there. Just back test. All right, other than that, you guys have a blessed trading week. Be careful. Use lower lot size. Risk management is key to keeping your account this week. Do not blow your account. Do not get greedy. And I will see you in tomorrow's recap. Thank you.